Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your VCAP. All you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. And you click here on settings. So then come to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on privacy here. When you click on privacy here, so then it's going to take you to next step here. Just waiting to open video, then you go down here and you come here to who can contact me here. Then you go down, so you come here to show instead of my photo in imported contacts, just click on it. So here in this list can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.